VLF Mobster, India's first scooter with a built-in dashcam to launch this festive season. MotoHouse India has announced the launch of the much-awaited VLF Mobster scooter in India, just in time for the upcoming festive season. Designed in Italy by the famed Alessandro Tartarini, this sporty, tech-loaded machine aims to redefine urban commuting for Gen Z and young riders. The VLF Mobster will be India's first petrol scooter to come fitted with an integrated front dash cam, offering factory-fitted ride recording. It also boasts a liquid-cooled engine, a rare feature in scooters to ensure performance remains consistent even during heavy traffic or harsh summers. For enhanced safety, the Mobster will feature dual-channel switchable ABS, ensuring superior braking control. The Mobster comes with a 5-inch full-color TFT display, mobile screen mirroring for navigation, calls and music, and a USB charging port, all designed for the always connected urban rider. Its bold Italian design is inspired by street fighters. With muscular styling, LED lighting, and alloy wheels with premium tires for both grip and looks. It also includes hydraulic suspension and a high-tensile steel frame. When you combine segment-leading technologies like liquid cooling, switchable ABS, and an integrated dashcam with aggressive Italian design, it becomes more than just a ride. It's about what it says about you. The Mobster speaks the Gen Z language: powerful, connected, and unapologetically stylish, said Tushar Shelka, founder of MotoHouse India. Swipe left for next video. The scooter will first be available at MotoHouse showrooms in Delhi, Pune, Bangalore, Ahmedabad, Goa, Kolhapur, and Sangli. Expansion to more cities is in the pipeline. Launch dates and pricing will be revealed soon. Latest blogs.